Welcome to One Page Code, a podcast where we break down complex technical concepts. Today, we're diving into a deep dive on PyTorch, using the book, The PyTorch Programming Language, as our guide.
I'm Alfred, your host. And joining me today is Samuel, an expert in deep reinforcement learning. Samuel, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Alfred.
Awesome. So, we're starting this PyTorch journey. Tell us about what we can expect in the first part of this book.
Absolutely. Part 1 focuses on building a solid foundation with PyTorch. We'll start with the basics, understanding what PyTorch is, its purpose, and how it fits in the broader deep learning ecosystem. Then, we'll explore pre-trained models.
So, pre-trained models? Like, models already trained on massive datasets?
Exactly. That lets us experiment with complex architectures right away. It's like getting a head start.
Makes sense. And what about the tensor? That sounds important.
Yeah, the tensor is the fundamental data structure in PyTorch. Think of it as a specialized array. We'll learn how to manipulate these tensors to represent data from different sources. Then, we'll explore how PyTorch handles learning from examples and, ultimately, how to create neural networks using PyTorch.
So, this is a practical hands-on approach?
Definitely. We're covering simple tasks like image classification, then moving to more complex architectures like convolutional neural networks. This will allow us to see how these ideas build on each other.
Perfect. So, first up, learning the basics of PyTorch, then working with pre-trained models. It's a great plan.
It's a strong foundation for understanding the power of PyTorch. We'll be ready to take on real-world problems by the end of Part 1.